Balaam agenze maaso neyebaza Katonda era neyebaza Nsambya Hospital okubeera nga ate bayambyeko omwana ono okudda engulu. Agambye omwana ono ayinza okuba nga munafu wabula nga ate ye womutunuulira azzaamu amaanyi cause she looks ng'omuntu ayinamu ku maanyi. Naye ng'ate agambye tugenda kukola ekisoboka okulaba nti tubeerawo mu mbeera yonna era nga gavumenti tugenda kakasa nti omwana afuna obujjanjabi obwetaagisa ate nga n'omukyalo ye yatusizaako omwana kino yabadde adduse wabula nga ate poliisi yayambyeko nemukwata nga bukyali era bamutransferinze okuva eyo ne bamuzze ne Kampala era nga agenda kugenda mu kkooti awoze. Naye nga tenzijukiza gwena eyakajoininga channel ino nti subscribinga o likinge o sharinge era tappinga notification bell ransonga ojja kuba notified buli lwentekayo video empya kweno channel.
The way that lady treated this young baby. But I want to thank God and I want to thank Nsambya Hospital for reviving her life and her health. She looks frail, but she looks stronger and I think regaining the grace of God. She will be well. But the family, the father and the mother, government will stand with you during this trying time. The IGP, I met him yesterday. And I had a discussion also with the director CID. Nowadays, when they violate children's rights, government is trying to improve on the efficiency. So now we can uphold the perpetrators. That lady ran away after doing that instead. She went to Cavalry, but Uganda police was able to locate her just in a good time, and she was apprehended on the day before Christmas, and she was transferred finally to Kampala. So the IGP says that lady's case is beyond any imagination. So everything will be done through the DPP to ensure the woman is taken to court.
Kala ate no katulinde kkooti lweneebaayo tulabe omukyalo ono ekibonerezo kye bagenda okuba nga bamusalira. Wabula nga ate nkujjukiza gwena tana subscribinga, making sure nti you subscribe, like and share. Tap the notification bell obeere nga ate getting notified lwentekayo videos kweno channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.